We might have had our difficult times and we probably will again, but just remember that no matter what happens, I will always love you. I committed to you body and soul. I want to spend my life with you and grow old with you are the one that I want to spend all my of tomorrow with every tomorrow that is to come, be the day good or bad. I want to know that I will always be your side. I saw a quiet once that said deep breaths, cases, shallow thoughts. I think deep thoughts, cases, shallow births. Whenever I think about you, I tend to forget to breathe. That's how I know I am head over heels for. When I look at you, I see someone that completes me. You are my everything that I could ever want in other person. You we shown me that true love does excited and that I can find it in myself to love another person. I love you, baby. I am secret of that I love does to people. I we seen it rain friendships and relationship in the past. I we seen it make people hate one another. I we seen sad sense and anger, violence and a lot of pain caused by love. But with you, I don't see that all. I see in joy, happiness, fun and peace. I do not know why we are arranged. I mean, that's there to even fight about. I just really love being with you. When I look at you, it's not just because you are beautiful, it's because I find you to be most accusators human being that has ever excited. I look at you and I see an angel sent from heaven just for me. You are the most wonderful persons that I have or ever will know. My love for you grows stronger each and every day. Three is so much I want to share with you. So many places I want to take you and so many experiences I want to have with you. I want to grow old with you. Perhaps have children together and live a healthy and prosperous life. There is nothing I want more than to be with you for all eternity because you are the one. I love you. I want to you to know that when you are having a hard time in this world, I'll lend an ear and give some advice when you are feeling down and out. I'll lift you up when your day is a scrape. I'll do my best to turn it around if you are sick. I'll take care of you when you are well. I still appreciated the fact that I have you in my life. I do not think that you could every replace here in my heart, but then came into my life and proved me wrong. You showed me that it is possible to heal and recover from grief and loss. You taught me that it's okay to feel happiness and gratitude for life. Again, I love you.